Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to add a payment method to your Facebook Ads Manager account so you can start running campaigns. First, go to facebook.com/ads/manager and log in. Click on the hamburger menu, is identical to, in the top left and select Billing under the All Tools section. Next, on the billing page, click on Payment Settings. Then, click on the Add Payment Method button. You'll see options like credit/debit card, PayPal, or bank account. After that, enter your payment details carefully. For a card, input the number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. For PayPal, you'll be redirected to log in and authorize the connection. Finally, click Save. Facebook may place a small temporary authorization charge on your account to verify the card, which will be refunded. This payment method will now be used for your ad spend. You're all set to launch your first Facebook ad campaign. If this guide got your ad account funded, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.